RS485 is a standard for serial communication commonly used in industrial and commercial environments. It defines how electrical signals are sent and received between devices over a network. The key feature of RS485 is its use of differential signaling. This means it sends data as a difference in voltage between two wires, usually called A and B. This is called differential signaling. This method helps reduce electrical noise. It also allows communication over long distances, up to about 1,200 meters or 4,000 feet. Here's one main advantage of RS485. Multiple devices, up to a maximum of 32, can share the same pair of wires. This setup enables many devices to communicate on the same network. This is a method known as multi-point or multi-drop communication. RS485 typically operates in half-duplex mode, meaning devices can either send or receive data at a time. But they can't do both simultaneously. Devices take turns communicating to avoid data collisions. The devices are connected in a line using twisted pair cables, forming what is called a bus topology. A ground wire is often included for reference. It's important to avoid star or ring wiring topologies, as these can cause signal problems. To maintain signal quality and prevent reflections, termination resistors are placed at both ends of the cable. These resistors match the cable's impedance, helping to reduce noise and ensure reliable data transmission. RS485 is widely used in applications such as industrial automation, building control systems. It is also employed in other scenarios where long-distance communication and noise resistance are important. It supports data rates up to 10 megabits per second and is known for its robustness in harsh environments. In summary, RS485 is a reliable and efficient communication standard that connects many devices on a simple two-wire network. It uses differential signals and half-duplex communication, making it ideal for industrial and commercial systems.